What's going on? What's going on, my beautiful dolls and divas? We're doing another alopecia solutions. You know that's my jam. Extensions and creating illusions is what I do. We're going to be doing a frontal full installation today. My beautiful doll came all the way from Mississippi to Atlanta, Georgia, okay? So guess what? They are traveling out here to see your girl, and I'm coming here to deliver on this YouTube streets. Anyway, we're doing a straight back foundation. Nothing special. Now I want to slow down this little part, little bit. Right here. Now, I said this on the last video. I'm gonna say it again. I like to go ahead and create a little bridge right there after I go up and down when it pertains to my braid foundation. Less is more. So right now we just got two ends to go ahead and, disclose and hide. So we're going to go ahead and use a latch hook, crochet needle. Less thread is more. So we're going to go ahead and travel up and make sure we tack, tuck, whatever you want, whatever T you want to use. We're going to go ahead and do it. This is my way, okay? This is not a tutorial. This is just what I do. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram, Posh Hair Designs with a Z, Salon Spa, for daily information, content, and all that good jazz. Now we're going to go ahead and run a rubber band and bring that back down. Taneasha, why you think that step is necessary? Because when y'all be doing mine, that crap hurt, okay? And then, you shredding that cotton thread or that nylon thread through their natural tresses, even though you have a net. Okay, you sewing and sewing. You ain't looking, okay, to see what you're doing. So just add the little anchor back there, and that's gonna make sure that doesn't pull and be discomfortable and all that other stuff. I said discomfortable. Roll with it. Right now we're doing a thin skin. You can get those from the Weave Buddy website. Sometimes I use a stocking cap. If I don't have that color in, I got all kind of thin skins to go ahead and create the illusion and the foundation. They're a little bit more complicated to work with. So if you need the elastic cap is a little bit more friendlier, make sure you hit the notification bell and subscribe. It's melted. Okay? When you can sew, when you can grow. So let me stop singing up in y'all ear. Turn the volume down. If you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. We're going to go ahead and create a little bit of marking because she is fair skin. And I want to make sure I have as less stops as possible. I like less steps. I can't talk in this video. We're going to roll with it. We're going to have as less steps as possible. So I want to make sure I do the marking to make sure that it is going to be lined up right. So trust the process, okay? Trust the process. I don't have a whole 45 minutes today going melt no dang on lace. 15 minutes, let it curate, let it go ahead, 4 or 5 layers. Go ahead, put it up a little bit above the headline. Let that curate, peel that back, put more adhesive. Guess what? This is why I'm not a frontal baby, and I leave that to y'all. But I can go ahead and slay a frontal here and there, only if your headline is the area of concern. If you have edges, guess what? Posh Hair Designs is not the goddamn lace queen for you. We not gonna cover up your real baby hairs for fake baby hairs. We not gonna do that. We are creating an alopecia solution. And everybody's area of concern is different, okay? So if you want to go ahead and have something easy, guess what? I understand, but we do hair care. I'm a 90s baby. We do hair care up in here. You're gonna get the look, but you're gonna go ahead and get some hair care, some shampoo. All these coming up in here with WWE thought process. Gotta have the hair already braided, shampooed. No, ma'am. I like to clean your head myself. Make sure we get all the steam treatment and all the hair care that we need to go ahead and get. And guess what we about to do? We about to do my favorite cut. Favorite cut. What is that? The bob. The bobber. Why is this my favorite cut, dolls and divos? Because I'm going to go ahead and get at least 2-3 clients every time they walk out the door. It's so many ways to cut a bob. I started slaying bobs in 2009, long time ago. Go ahead and do the math. Meaning that was my focus point, okay? That's my focus point. Go on my Instagram and check out my bobs if you have not been seeing them. YouTube, you want to get the little joint once a week. Go ahead on my Instagram for daily content. Now, right now, we going ahead with the thinning shears. I know it's a fast motion, but we're using razors and thinning shears. Hatoro, put them on layaway to do payment plans. They take payment plans, okay? Hatoro, because you're going to need them. They start off at $600, okay? Your tools are important. Taneasha, I ain't gonna use that on no daggone extensions. Guess what? I do so many extensions, and that's what I specialize with. I'm not using no $7.99, no $4.99 shears. So guess what? I got shears for my hair and shears still premium brand for my extensions. Do what you wish. I'm just shouting out the brand so I can get me an endorsement, so I can get me a garage. Back to the topic. We're going ahead and creating the layers. You know what I'm saying? Of course, we're going to use clips for, you know, control and all that good jazz. I like to make sure that the cut, we're going to go ahead and check the cut. Let me say this again. We're going to check the cut, dolls and divas. That's cosmetology 101. We just don't cut and curl, okay? Because when she don't want to curl her hair, the cut is the style. The curl is just accent. It's accessories. It's like putting some earrings in your ear with your outfit. The earrings don't make the outfit. It's an accessory. That's what a curl is, okay? Like, subscribe, because you know you like this commentary. You know you like it. And if you want to come up in person, make sure you go on www.officialposhhair.com. If I talk too fast, I understand. I am a D.C., Washington, D.C. native. So you might have to slow it down, put the caption on. The caption probably all kind of misspelled errors. But we're going to go ahead and curl this one little piece that's blowing my whole life, if you have not noticed. I'm a perfectionist, okay? And the things you see and the things I see, we're going to see it together. So don't be in the comment like, she forgot to curl that piece. Why she do it that way? I'm going to need these comments to be emojis, hearts, and motivation. Because guess what? It's hard out here to be daggone making content and editing for the YouTubes. I'm new to it. But guess what? I'm true to it. You see the layers. She sees that one piece right there. It's going to get tucked in a second, okay? We giving her the mirror, okay? But I'm going to have to go ahead and tweak a little bit. She's happy. She's smiling. She's profiling. Look at it. I want to take it off the face, even though we're going to put it in the face. We're going to take it off the face, in the face, behind the ear. We had an inspiration from the Pinterest. You see the laser. Age appropriate. Giving her style. And guess what? She ain't got to do much. She can just go ahead and put on her regular satin scarf, her bonnet, do half C, half a wrap on both sides. Thank you for watching. Put yourself first. See y'all next week.